Welcome to Windmill Colour. We are at the 14th Nuts and Bolts Rally, September Rally it's called. And quick summary, we take old cars, we go off-roading with them, camping, overlanding, stuff like that. Cars which are not meant to go on off-roads, we take on off-roads. So that's what we're going to do. This is my ride, well this is Michael, there's sweepers, and then this Bubblegum, this is my ride. I'm riding passenger with Oom Jurie this time. So yeah, we're going to have some fun and let the adventure begin. We are here at our first braai spot. Everyone's braaiing over there. I just had to check the water in this car quickly because it is overheating. But yeah, welcome to our first braai spot in the Tankwa Karoo. That pass running up there is called, I can't remember the name, but it's a pass that goes up over into Tankwa. You come out of Tankwa Patstad. So yeah, everything's going well. We've got one beetle that we already lost. He got towed. Had oil problems and then engine packed up, so we left him at Ouberg and now we're just braaiing here and then we're heading off to our first night's accommodation, which will be at Demont. Yes, see you guys there. Okay, I must move the bubblegum closer, so let's see if I'm able to. I'm gonna start it. Let's see if I can.
Bluetooth connection success.
That's first. Wait, handbrake. What is up and what is down? I would assume that's the handbrake down. Hey, you got it. Handbrake up. Ooh, wow, that's tough. And car off. Successful. I got it right to drive. Is it gonna roll? No. I got it right to drive it for the first time. Yay! It is morning number 2. There's a little tent and there's everyone else and outside. It is morning number 2. Oh yes, morning number 2, and we are at Demont and we are heading off to Calvinia side this morning.
As ek vinnig genoeg weer petrol trap en dan vrek hy.
Haal jy goed vir die petrol? Ja.
Ons was al op 'n trip by daai.
Hoe het hulle nou gery?
Hulle het nou daar afgedraai, so hulle gaan nou in elk geval weer iewers moet terugkom.
Ja.
So, hulle het verkeerd gery.
Donga. Jullie moet maar daar deur. Gaan rechts deur. Ja. As hy ja. Stadig net. En dan so na die kant op. Gee gas. En is deur. Het jy 'n boot gebreek?
Ek het nie my boot gebreek nie, die pad het my boot gebreek. Maar as jy hom nou sluit, gaan jy toe bly nie.
Ja, maar wat wil jy uit hê?
Wat wil jy nou uithaal?
Maar nie nou worry oor dit nou
Kry
nie.
nog uit.
MIDDELPOS, and then our next stop will be Calvinia. And so the pass we went through is Gannaga Pass, and it was a bit washed out, it was a bit steep, but we made it. It wasn't that bad. We just had to stop in a few places and show the people where to go, and they had to get through the ruts, but everyone made it through fine. So yeah, on to the next leg. So we have arrived here at Calvinia, Calvinia camping or caravan park. Some cars are battered and bruised. As you can see, the little beetle got a bit of a burning gone. The other car that was with us, their boot fell off, some wheels damaged and stuff like that, and someone's roof rack came off. The red car down there, the roof rack came off and ended it on the bonnet. So yeah, but we are here. It is day 3 and we are back here at MIDDELPOS. So we slept the night in Calvinia and then we came back here to MIDDELPOS, and now we are heading off to Sutherland. And it is, okay, you can't see the clouds. It's cloudy in the sky. It was super cold last night, or it was cold last night, and now it's going to be super cold in Sutherland. They're expecting -1 degrees Celsius. Kan jy hom vashou? Ek dink is enig iets nou nie. So we have no brakes. Nothing. Hy spoeg, hy is heeltemal af. So yes, that's why we don't have any brakes, because the brake cable has snapped. The brake fluid cable has snapped off right there by the brake caliper, and I guess the brake fluid running on the brakes also doesn't help because it's wetting the whole brakes and making it slippery.
Dit was al van sommer af.
Okay, brakes are not fixed. We just cut the one side off and tied it up so it doesn't leak out, and we made it so it doesn't leak out the back. And so now we're going to drive. It's about 40 k's left to Sutherland, and then in Sutherland we'll get it fixed. So we put on the new brake fluid in, and we made the air guard, air the brakes. Pieter is wat hy niks het nie.
Ja, nee,
So we just arrived in Sutherland. We are here in Sutherland by the garage. We're trying to find some parts for the Ford to get the brake line sorted. Hopefully they'll have some stuff for us. We'll keep you updated with what's happening and if we can get the stuff fixed. Because tomorrow we're going down a very steep hill, so we need our brakes. We definitely need our brakes tomorrow. Otherwise it's going to be very interesting. But let's see what happens. Okay, so we just arrived at Ouberg. That is where we are camping and sleeping tonight. It started raining actually, so I drove with that white bakkie, Sunny Netty, because the Bubblegum is still being fixed, and Oom Jan and Oom Jurie stayed there to help them fix it and stuff like that, and they just wanted me to ride with to make sure everyone here is fine. It is very cold, and it's 4 o'clock and it's very cold. And it's raining. Well, it rained on the way here and it's drizzling a bit now. So it's going to be a very interesting and cold night. So they arrived. I don't know if it's fixed or not, but our bags are on the back, and as you can see, it is raining. So our bags are soaked. Yeah, that's going to be fun. It is morning 4, it is freezing cold. The girls went for a jog. An update on our bags. Our bags arrived here. The bags itself were wet, luckily our clothes were dry. But yeah, it was extremely cold last night. It is still very cold. I've got my thick gloves on and everything on. But I take my hat off for the people that were camping over there. They're camping over there. To camp in this weather, and it was raining last night a lot. Camping, raining in -1 degree Celsius could not have been fun. So we are here at Ouberg Pass now, and we're about to head down. We're waiting for 2 more cars to arrive, and it is freezing cold here. So that was Ouberg Pass. So we are here at the finish, at the end line of the September rally, Boss rally. We are ending here in TOUWS River, TOUWS Rivier. It was a good rally. We had a lot of breakdowns. I think every single car had a problem, but it was a good rally. It was fun. We were in the front group, so we missed a lot of the action that happened at the back, all the breakdowns, all stuff like that. But everyone came here, arrived here. Some bits and drabs, some pieces, some got lost. But yeah, no, it was a good rally. It was fun. It was a fun time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, hopefully there'll be a lot more.